Imagine never having to vacuum or mop again. No more hair tangles, no more dodging furniture legs, and no more emptying the dustbin every other day. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the Roborock Saros 10R might just be the smartest cleaning robot out there. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out! First things first, this little guy is only 3.14 inches tall, which means it can slide under beds, couches, and coffee tables like a pro. A lot of robot vacuums struggle with tight spaces, but this one is super slim while still being incredibly smart. It doesn't have one of those bulky sensor towers on top, so it can sneak into places where other vacuums can't. Now, let's talk about navigation. We all know the struggle. Robot vacuums getting stuck on cords, furniture legs, or worse, socks. But the Saros 10R is different. It has 3D sensing technology that recognizes over 100 different obstacles, so you won't have to rescue it every 5 minutes. It even has a side brush that extends out to sweep up dirt hiding in corners and edges. No more dusty baseboards. Of course, suction power is a big deal. The Hyperforce suction on this thing is no joke. It picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. And here's the best part. It's tangle-free. If you've ever had to cut pet hair or long strands out of a vacuum brush, you know how annoying it is. With the Zero Tangling Duo Divide brush, that's a thing of the past. And let's not forget about the mopping feature. A lot of robot mops just drag a wet cloth across the floor, which isn't exactly cleaning. But this one? It actually scrubs the floors. Plus, it's smart enough to detect carpets and lift the mop automatically so it doesn't soak your rugs. And when it's done, it washes itself with hot water and dries the mop. No more gross, bacteria-filled mop pads sitting around your house. Now here's where things get really impressive. The self-cleaning dock. This isn't just a charging station. It literally does everything for you. It empties the dustbin for up to 60 days, washes and dries the mop, refills its own water tank, and even dispenses detergent. Basically, it's like having a tiny housekeeper. And for pet owners, this might be the coolest feature yet. The built-in camera lets you check in on your pets, and you can even do a two-way video call. Yup, you can talk to your dog while you're at work. Not to mention, it has a voice assistant called Hello Rocky that lets you start cleaning just by talking to it. No need to even touch your phone. Alright, so what's the catch? Well, it's not perfect. It's loud, especially when it's self-emptying. If you're home when it happens, you'll definitely hear it. And the dock? It's massive. If you live in a small apartment, you'll need to find a good spot for it. So is the Roborock Saros 10R worth it? If you want a truly hands-free cleaning experience, this is probably one of the best robot vacuums you can get. The powerful suction, smart navigation, and zero-maintenance design make it a solid investment. But if you don't have space for that giant dock, you might want to think twice. What do you think? Would you get one? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.